Hi everybody, Gary Williams here for Toolbarn.com's Barn Banter. Hey, if you watch our program at all, you know that we talk an awful lot about cordless tools that have brushless motors, and there are a lot of good reasons for combining those two, the cordless features with the brushless motors. A lot of good reasons. We're not going to go into all those again right now because we've done that a lot already. However, Hitachi is now combining brushless motors with AC power tools, and there are some really good reasons for that as well. Hitachi's got a new line of tools out. We're going to show those to you and talk about the advantages coming right up. This is one of Hitachi's SDS Max brushless rotary hammers, and I want to show you a few features on this thing, starting of course with the brushless motor, visible right here at the bottom. And I will tell you, we took this thing apart. You won't get it disassembled and have to put it back together. We'll put this one back together before we let you have it anyway. But anyway, you can see the brushless motor here. And there are a lot of advantages to having a brushless motor. For one thing, it contributes to lighter weight, and it also allows you to do some things with power sources that you might not ordinarily be able to do with hammers or with tools that are heavy duty like this. You can plug this thing into a long extension cord and you'll have a consistent power supply. This is designed to use the power you have available. So a long extension cord is okay. A generator is okay. Typically, you won't have to run back every few seconds and reset breakers. It's a good tool in that respect in the way that it uses power. Just a small thing, but I think it's not such a small thing for me anyway at my place. Two-prong plugs. The way this thing is insulated allows you to use a two-prong plug, which is just a convenience factor. Every place has two-prong plugs. You don't always have three prongs. Anyway, that's a good deal. So, other features that are nice on this thing. It's got an anti-vibration mode that'll help reduce the wear and tear on your body when you're working with these things. It's also got, if you can see right here, an aluminum housing for all the vital components in the drive system here. And that protects this drive chain really well. It keeps all the debris out of there. It'll add to longevity of the tool and help protect it and keep it operating for a long time that way. Basically, it's lighter weight than a lot of these things have been because of this brushless motor and the technology used. There's no heavy battery on there. We talk a lot, we brag a lot about battery operated tools. Those are great, but there's a place for every kind of tool, and this corded tool has a great place on the job site depending upon what you're doing. So check it out at Toolbarn.com. The brushless motor and the aluminum housing make this the best impact driver in its class. Now this is a 3/4 inch impact from Hitachi. This thing packs a lot of power. You can hear it if you can't really see it or feel it, but it operates on a cord. And the nice thing about, again, the construction of this thing, the way it's made, is that it'll run off a long extension cord. It'll run off of a generator. It'll run really well, and it won't have those power lags or other problems that you experience with some of the heavy-duty corded tools. A lot of power here. It's got 460 foot-pounds of tightening torque. That's the best in its class. It's the lightest in its class. It's the most compact in its class. It's got that aluminum housing around the drive components, which keep out debris and all those things that can tear the internals of a machine like this apart. So it's a great tool, durable, lightweight, heavy duty yet. Check it out on Toolbarn.com. For more normal type of work, you might want just a kind of a conventional impact from Hitachi like this one. Now this also does feature the brushless motor. However, this also features different speeds. It's got 4 speeds in all, and you can change those as you need them for whatever type of job you're working on. So it's a versatile tool, brushless motor, lightweight, very easy to use, very durable. Check it out on Toolbarn.com. And I would also encourage you to check out, there's a pretty wide variety of brushless AC powered tools from Hitachi on Toolbarn.com, and we think that's just the start. We think a lot of other manufacturers are going to follow suit, and they're going to produce brushless tools running off AC power, kind of the wave of the future. So what goes around comes around. We're going to head back to cords in some areas and brushless motors in a lot of areas, and we're going to have them all on Toolbarn.com. So check it out. Thanks for being with us. We hope you join us again.